Hello everyone! So I am very excited about today's video as I have received a fancy new piece of kit to help make my video quality a bit better, and I thought I would review it for you guys in case any of you are planning on making a similar purchase. So let's just get straight into it. So this is the Mactrem LED ring light kit. It was $25.99 on Amazon. So a really good budget ring light because a lot of them can go up to sort of like 60, 70, even £80. So this one was well within my budget and it seems to come with a lot. So let's just see what's inside. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what you see. So you've got a little user manual here. You've got a nice little thank you card just for purchasing their product, and then we've got several pieces of kit. So let's see what they all are. So we've got this one, which seems to be a clamp of some sort. So yeah, it opens up like that. Perhaps it's for like mounting it, maybe. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm sure it'll say so in the user manual. We've also got this one, which is definitely a clamp of some sort. I'm like 99% sure. So it's got kind of like rubber grips on the sides there. It's got a foam backing. It's got a jack thing there for presumably attaching it to a tripod, and then it's got this for adjusting it, so that makes it twistable, which is cool. So again, I'm sure it'll be all explained in the user manual. So there's like a faint smell of plastic emanating from the box, but that's okay. So the next thing we've got is this tripod. So this is presumably for standing the ring light on. Now I've got my own regular size tripod that I'll be using, but it's cool that it's got this. So it's got like little, little rubber feet on the bottom, and you can sort of stand it up, presumably taller or lower profile. It's got this knob on the side, which you can twist, presumably, yeah, so this loosens this at the top there. And then you just got like a regular, you got the regular thing for attaching it onto the ring light itself. We've also got this thing, which honestly I have no idea what it is. It's perhaps some kind of like tilt axis. It's got like a kind of ball in there, and then you can loosen it up by twisting the knob on the sides. So again, I'm going to have to read the manual to figure out exactly what to do with this, but this is included. And then we've got a remote of some sort. So the remote comes with a little instruction thing, and then you've got the remote itself. So there we go. It's got a camera button and an Android button. So again, not certain what this is, but it's a remote shutter. We'll figure it out. And then finally, a pièce de résistance for the ring light itself. So this comes with the remote for changing, presumably, the lighting settings. We've also got a USB connector at the end for plugging it into a power source. Looks like the cable will be a decent length, but let's just check. So the cable's a pretty good length. So you've got the ring light here, and then the cable goes all the way here, so that is to give you, it's basically my arms outstretched is the length of the cable. And then we've got the ring light itself, and this is a 6-inch ring light, but as you can see, it's still a decent size, about the size of my head. Seems to be made of pretty solid material. It's very lightweight, which is a good thing in my opinion. But yeah, so it's just got the white casing around the outside, but the one I've got does come with different colours. So it has a white setting, a yellow setting, a white and yellow setting, and then it's got also some RGB colours, so presumably all the colours of the rainbow, if the picture is to be believed. We will test that in a moment. But yes, that is everything that comes with it, and the next thing I'm going to do is mount it on the tripod, so you guys will be able to see what it's like when it is on. Okay, so I've read the manual and know a bit more about the other things. So this is for holding a phone, which I probably should have figured out. But yeah, so you can adjust the knob on the back, so you can adjust the angle that the phone is at, and then you can just plug the phone onto a tripod, which is what this thing is. So this is the tripod intended for the phone. So it pulls out so it can be stood up like that, and then you can adjust the tilt head at the top there. Very useful to have that secondary tripod. And also the other tripod, the legs are telescopic, so by pushing this lever you can push them out, and there's 5 different levels of length that you can have. So it's a really handy tripod for the ring light. However, I have set mine up on a larger tripod, which I will show you. So this is the setup I've got. I've put the ring light on top of a larger tripod. In front of the one, I'll be putting my video camera on there. So we've got the ring light, and the thing it's on is the thing that came in the box, and basically you can adjust it with this to tilt it. So I've set it tilted so it'll tilt over the top of the video camera and hopefully be really cool that way. I've also plugged it in to the power supply, so this is just a little power block which I'll then control the ring light with this controller here. So this has all the different settings on it, and yeah, I'll probably release that so I can be a bit closer to the remote. But yes, this will be how I control the lighting. Okay, so when I stream, I wear glasses. So as I will be primarily using the ring light for streaming, I have used it so that I've got my glasses, so you can just see how the light interacts with it. These do have anti-glare protection on them, so hopefully it won't cause any issues. All right, moment of truth. I am turning on the white light. Ooh, okay. And it has several different levels, so I'm not sure if it started on the highest one. I think it did. So this is the lowest level of light. This is on white light mode. Then up, 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 up. Wow, it's just keeping on going. So I think this is the maximum now. So I'm also going to change it onto the, I think it's white and yellow mode next. Ooh, no, that was white and yellow. Okay, so this is white light. This is a bit, I'm not too keen on the white light one, so let's try. Oh. Right, so this is yellow mode. This is yellow mode. This is white mode. And this is white and yellow. I think I like white and yellow modes. However, I'm just going to turn that mode off because there's an RGB mode as well. So it starts with blue, then green, a different kind of green, yellow, more sort of paler lemon yellow. Ooh, a red light, that's quite cool. Duller red. Purple, I like purple. Duller purple, and then back to blue. But the cool thing is you can also have the RGB mode with the other white and yellow mode, so it sort of creates loads of different effects. So I'm going to try white and red, so let's give that a go. So I've got red on now, and I've got white and red on. So this is quite a cool effect that it's creating, and you can just really play around with it, play around with the brightness to figure out what works for you best. But I'm going to turn both the lights off now so you can see the difference. So this is with it off, and this was with the white light on. So it's making a huge difference in terms of illumination, and I'm hoping will really improve my streaming. Honestly, for $25.99, I am really impressed with this. I think it's a great piece of kit. It's very small and lightweight and non-invasive. You can pack it back away into the box with all the accessories it comes with, and you can use the accessories even outside of using the ring lights. Perhaps if you're going out, you can take the phone holder with you, take a nice selfie, something like that. So yeah, all in all, I would definitely recommend this. As you can see, there's no glare even with the glasses, which I was worried about, and I'm just going to quickly try it with glasses that don't have anti-glare protection. So these glasses don't have anti-glare protection, and I'm turning it on, and there's a little bit if you get it in the wrong sort of angle, but it's not too bad in my opinion. So you can see like the reflection of it, but I mean, it's not perfect, but it's not terrible, and like I said, these don't have anti-glare protection on them, and I feel like if you had the ring light at the right angle so it wasn't directly in front of you, because I'm only doing this because I'm doing to the video, but when I'm streaming it'll be off to the side of me because that is the angle I film from when I'm streaming. So yeah, hopefully it won't create too much of an issue, and in fact I'm just going to move the ring light around now so we can see how that interacts with the video. So I've just put the ring light to the side of me, which as you can see has dealt with the glare, and it's also creating a really cool effect because it's coming down from that angle across me, and I can change to the sort of coloured lighting as well, so let's give that a try. This is blue, this is green, yellow, come on, get to red. I'm just going to turn the other light off. See, this is just red, and that's really cool. And I've got purple as well. Well, what purple look like with the white? I like this effect. Anyway, there's loads of effects you can play around with. So yes, this was the Mactrem LED ring light set. This is the 6-inch one, $25.99 on Amazon. I will leave a link for you down in the description. But I would definitely recommend it as a great budget choice for streamers and YouTube content creators. Please do give the video a like, drop a comment down below to say what you thought of the ring light, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos in future. Bye bye.